Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video. If you have Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ, what's common between those, the drivetrain that they use, guys. If you have a hybrid or non-hybrid engine, you have check engine light on and code P0520, which indicates no oil pressure or low oil pressure. Stay with us, we'll explain how to fix that step by step. Everything will be covered in this video today. Now, one common mistake people make as well, make sure to stay until the end, we'll explain what we're talking about. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's go ahead, okay, and open the hood. I want to show you a few things here. This specifically is a hybrid engine that can be found in Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ. The non-hybrid is practically almost the same, guys. If you have that code, the reason for that will be the same. We jacked the vehicle up, okay, we did that, and we removed the engine splash shield right there. If you want to see how to do that step by step, the video is on the channel. Once you do that, you can see that's your transmission, engine, oil pan, oil filter, water pump on the hybrid engine here as well. So checking in now, guys, okay, that's your oil filter. If we have these codes, okay, common mistake people make sure to stand till the end. This is your oil filter housing. Next to it, guys, right there you have a sensor. That's oil pressure sensor, oil pressure switch. The purpose of that sensor is to detect, okay, if you have oil pressure. It's a single wire sensor. If you have a single wire, it means it's an on and off switch. When you have oil pressure, that pressure will compress the switch and it will deactivate. If you don't have enough pressure, the switch will go out. Practically it's like a spring, and it will turn the oil light on, or you may get that code P0520. So, talking about that now, what can cause it, guys? In some cases, it could be bad oil pressure switch. We will have a video how to replace it and how to test oil pressure switch. Check it out. Really simple, guys. Number 2, it could be something really simple, in some cases, as having a low oil level. Check your oil level, pull the dipstick, check the oil level, make sure you have enough oil level, because if it's a little bit low when you're going in a curve, okay, or if you go in a driveway that's climbing or going downhill, that can affect the oil level and it may suck air for a little bit, and as a result that can cause the code, guys. Number 3, it could be defective oil filter. Always use good quality oil filters, because a defective oil filter may not allow the engine to get enough oil pressure. Oil may not flow through it. It has a valve that may be not working correctly, and that can cause that code as well. So those are the top 3 things that can cause that. Always use good quality oil filter, in my opinion. That's the number 1 mistake people make when they try to save money, guys. It's not worth it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.